In this question, we are told that the interior angle of this polygon is 156 degrees. Now we have to find the value of n. So we have, firstly, one exterior angle in this case will be 180 minus 156 degrees. That will give us 24 degrees. And we know that the sum of the exterior angles of any n-sided polygon is actually 360 degrees. So the number of sides in this case will be 360 over 24. Okay, and this will give us an answer of 15 sides. So n is equals to 15 sides. Now part B. Find the value of the angle ACD. Okay, so first of all, we know that AB equals to AC. Okay, because this is a regular polygon. So as a result, angle BCA will be 180 degrees minus 156 degrees divided by 2. Okay, and this will give us an answer of 12 degrees. Okay, because of the base angles of our isosceles triangle. Okay, so from here, to find angle ACD, we just take 156 degrees minus 12 degrees, and we will get the answer of 144 degrees.